Mr. Gautam Choksi. He is a Vice President Finance, Hindustan Platinum Private Limited. Welcome to Bullion Bulletin, sir.
Thanks.
Thank you very much for getting accreditation of LPPM Good Delivery. What is this LPPM Good Delivery? People have little idea in India how this LPPM Good Delivery works.
Like the LBMA, which is the body that accredits gold and silver refiners, the LPPM, the London Platinum and Palladium Market, is the body that accredits refineries for platinum and palladium. So we're proud to say that we're the first ones in India to be accredited for platinum and palladium. I think one of the first few in Asia, ex-Japan. So I think on the list globally, there's less than 30 companies for platinum and palladium both, and proud to be the first ones on the list.
How are you getting the raw material for your refining purpose?
So we're secondary refiners of platinum and palladium. We do a bit of silver as well. But our main raw material is spent catalyst from petrochemical and oil refineries, fine chemical industries, and industrial scrap mainly. So we're not active in the auto catalyst space as yet, but that's something we're looking at.
You are sourcing entirely from domestic market?
Mainly a large portion of it, but we do have a bit of imports as well. And we're exporting our products as well all over the world.
So when you are importing your raw material, what is the duty structure? How much you are paying? How it is calculated?
So like gold and silver, the import duty on platinum and palladium is 10%. Exactly the same actually. It used to be different, but now it's all at par.
You can export the bar after refining it, or it is not allowed in the country?
Unlike gold and silver, the export of platinum and palladium bars is permitted. There is no restriction on that. Likewise, the import also is allowed, and there's no requirement to route it through a nominated agency in the case of gold and silver.
What is the current demand of platinum in the country?
There are no statistics really, but
you have been in the industry for a long time. How much you are seeing, how the demand is growing, and how the market can be developed?
So I think with PGI marketing platinum jewelry, essentially we are also accredited by PGI as approved raw material suppliers to platinum jewelers. Certainly with the awareness going up and with the prices coming down of platinum, that parity, it's making it attractive for people to buy or turn to platinum as an alternate instead of just going to gold. I think as far as the demand goes, it's picking up year on year, even investment demand, but I think still long way to go to catch up with gold.
That will be certain, but I wanted to know where the demand you are seeing the most, in platinum jewelry or the platinum investment bars? People are ready to invest in platinum bars?
Yeah, actually, to be honest, we're not catering to that segment. We are mainly into the industrial side, so we are supplying pharmaceutical companies with catalysts or platinum rhodium bushings to the glass industry, glass fiber industry. So from the industrial side, demand is fairly strong and growing. I think there is an uptick certainly, and I think future is looking up.
How many players now are active in the industry in case of say platinum palladium refining and platinum palladium sourcing? Yeah,
I think there are a handful, probably 3 or 4 players pan-India basis who are doing it on a meaningful size. But again, I think the breadth of the products that we are catering to, there's not too many people doing the same or all the products that we're doing.
Platinum demand is very strong in China, and of course China has a very strong gold demand as well. So are you seeing that platinum can catch better in future?
It will. I think we have a while to go to catch up, but we will. Yeah.
So you are optimistic that platinum jewelry will attract young generation?
It is. It's already attracting. I think it's already attracting, but I think as far as for it to turn into meaningful numbers, we'll have to wait and watch. Still some time away, as I said.
I am seeing that a lot of jewelers, they are now making silver jewelry with platinum plated. Do you have any idea why they are using the platinum plated gold silver jewelry?
Simply to get on, to cash in on the platinum, craze, or at least just to say that it's, platinum plated and, inside it's silver, so it's certainly going to be cheaper. But for somebody who may just get fooled buy it or pay a premium for it. Still, I think, I mean, it's going to be a big difference. Platinum jewelry is sold more so by the piece and not per gram, how they're selling gold jewelry. So it's a different way they're marketing it. And
My last question about this convention. How are you enjoying this 11th India International Gold Convention?
no, it's good. It's good. I've been here before, but not for the last few years. It's looking good. I think it's a good turnout, and wish the conference all the best. Looking forward to the next 2 days.
So what you are exactly looking for here?
Meeting friends. A lot of friends from overseas are here, and it's good catching up with everybody. And
This is the best platform according to you to in the network in the country?
in the country, yes, I would say.
Thank you.
Thanks.